In today's video, I'll show you how you could use volume profile indicator on Webull. So let's get started. So here we are on Webull, and first things first is that you want to make sure that you're logged in into your account and you have the app updated to the latest version just to make sure that you would be able to use the feature. So if you haven't already, then you can just go here into the settings of the app, or if you're using the desktop, then you don't need to do it right here. And yeah, basically you just need to go here into general and then about, and then make sure that you update it to the latest version by clicking here on the update button. And then once you're sure of that, you want to now move here into the custom right here in the left menu. Once you're here, you would now be able to see your chart, which is this one, right? And then basically you want to click here on the indicators icon, which is this one right here. So you want to make sure that it is highlighted just like that so that you'd be able to see your indicators in here. Now what we want is that we would want to add the volume profile indicator. So to do that, we need to click here on all indicators. And then it will now pop up this menu right here wherein we can see all the indicators that we would be able to add. And what we want is the volume profile. So we're going to type in VP. So VP stands for volume profile. And now we would want it to be added. So we're going to click on that. And now it's added right here. And basically you could also edit this if you would want to. So as you can see right here, built-in indicators can only be added once in each chart. Now, if you would want to edit the VP on how it looks like you'd want to change the colors in the volume high and low, then what you could do is go back in here into all indicators, and then from here you could go into VP again, and basically you can now click here into introduction and then go here into style, wherein you could change the color for the volume high and low, the value area, POC, common column, depending on what you want, and the inputs right here you can make this smaller so you'd have less bars, but yeah, they would appear thicker, and so on, depending on the settings that you prefer. Usually I prefer 30 right here, and the value area I'll make it stay at 70 depending on the settings that you'd like. And now once you're done, click here on done, and that's it. You have now successfully used the volume profile indicator on Webull. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.